In Chapter 1 of our assigned reading for the week, the textbook had a section on pages 34 to 35 about projective tests, a method of investigating a person's personality by prompting them with an open-ended, unstructured, or ambiguous question or situation, and interpreting their response. Two of the most popular examples of projective tests are the inkblot test and the TAT. The textbook concluded the section with a warning that the validity and reliability of projective tests is still in question. For this video exploration, I wanted to do some research into the latest findings of the validity and reliability of projective tests. To do so, I visited Google Scholar and searched, quote, projective tests, end quote, and validity. An article published in SIS Journal of Projective Psychology and Mental Health titled Why Teach Future Psychotherapists to Administer and Interpret Projective Tests? Well, why teach future physicians and surgeons to perform dissections? That is the title of the article, written by Stephen Joy. It provided some helpful reasons why performance-based methods of personality assessments, otherwise known as projective tests, have a place in modern clinical psychology. According to Stephen Joy, the open-ended verbal production one can get from a projective test is similar to that that can be found from conventional therapy, sit-down psychoanalysis therapy, which would potentially save time in the realm of treatment. Additionally, learning how to properly conduct and interpret a projective test helps students in their development of skills required to run a clinical practice. Below are my resources. The paper by Stephen Joy is unfortunately behind a institution educational wall, but the abstract in the first page of the paper are both linked below, as well as the link to the textbook.